In this video, I will guide you through how to create a brand new Instagram account on your mobile phone step by step. First, I opened the Instagram app from my mobile home screen. After opening Instagram, the login and sign up interface appeared. If you already have an Instagram account, you can enter your login credentials and sign in. Since I wanted to create a new account, I tapped on Create Account. After that, a pop-up appeared with two options. Continue with Facebook. Create account manually. I selected Create Account manually. If you already have a Facebook account, you can also sign up quickly using the Continue with Facebook option. Next, a page opened asking for my mobile number. Below that, there was an option called Sign Up with Email. I tapped on Sign Up with Email. After that, a new page opened with an input field. I entered my email address and tapped on Next. Now the Create a Password page appeared. I entered a strong password that I can easily remember. Make sure you also choose a password that is secure and easy for you to remember. There's also an eye icon beside the password field. By tapping on it, you can view your password while typing. After entering the password, I tapped on Next. Then the What is your birthday page appeared. Here I selected my real date of birth according to my official documents. After that, I tapped on Next. Next, the What is your name page opened. I entered my full name in the input field and tapped on Next. After that, the Create a Username page appeared. In my case, my username was available by default. Sometimes your preferred username may not be available. If that happens, you can try something different by adding words like official or unique numbers to your username. After choosing the username, I tapped on Next. Next, the Terms page appeared. I tapped on I agree. After that, a few more pages appeared asking for notification permission and contact access. You can allow or skip these options according to your preference. Then another page appeared where I could upload a profile picture. In my case, I tapped on skip because you can also add a profile picture later. And just like that, my Instagram account was successfully created. After the Instagram interface opened, I tapped on the profile icon. My profile page opened successfully. From here, you can add your profile picture, edit your profile, add a bio, create posts, and customize your Instagram account professionally. And that is how you can create a brand new Instagram account on your mobile phone step by step. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.